let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the week on our gold. If you are yet to subscribe, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. So first thing first, before we take a trade, we need to know the trend. That's our trade, right? Before you take any trade, right, you would want to know your trend. And in the market tends to give us three movements. And the trend, the three movements that market tends to give us, it's either an uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a range market move. These are the three movements markets give us, right? But when you take a zoom it out on your board, what can you see that the trend is? It is very clear that gold is in an uptrend. So it is very clear that gold is an uptrend move. And it is giving us a series of higher high and higher low. Now, to those of people that who are the people that are going to make use of this trend, position traders will make use of it, swing traders will make use of it, and day traders will make use of it, right? So since this is an uptrend move, right, you would want to go to your weekly time frame in order for us to be able to predict what market will be doing for the week. So we can clearly see this here. Let's start from here for quick analysis. This is our high on gold. Then here comes the higher low. Market was able to give us a push up, which is high, and here comes the higher low. Market push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market push up again, it formed a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? So market is now pushing up, and it is about to form what? A new higher high. So market is now pushing up, and it is about to form a new higher high. That is to tell you that we are now on a bullish move gold. So gold is about to take out this previous high. So whatever thing you would want to be doing on your gold, especially if you're a position trader, you would want to be going long on your gold. So gold is still on a bullish move. Weekly time frame says we are to go bullish. Daily time frame also says we are going bullish. I mean, when you take a look at this movement, your gold here. Let's start from here for quick analysis. If we see this to be the high, which is our gold, market pushed up, it is the high. Then here is seen as the higher low. This is also seen as the higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? This is also seen as the higher high, and here comes the higher low. So market is now currently pushing up, and guess what? We are about to form a new higher high, hereby market going to take out this previous high. So this is our previous high right here. So sorry, this is our recent high, right? Our recent highest level of gold. So gold is getting close to it, and market will once gold gets close to the recent high and breaks above it, this recent high will now become the previous high. So this movement will now become now the new high. So gold is now about to give us a new higher high. So that is to tell you that we are on a bullish move on gold. Reason why I said position traders, swing traders, and also day traders can go long on gold. So with this movement that gold has done here, with this push up that gold has done here, and the pullback it did, now we are expecting to push further up and completely take out this high here, thereby forming a new high completely. So guys, a bullish move, new high is what we'll be expecting on our gold. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. So this is it on the forward time frame. So this is a multiple rejection zone here. This the multiple rejection zone. Market pushed, gave a double bottom here. It pushed up, gave a pullback. Market was able to push up again. Expect your pullback on your gold. Once it gives you the pullback, go ahead and take the buy and push up. So markets will continue to give us that movement till it is able to completely take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, this week we will be going bullish on gold. If there will be any changes to this our prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on those updates, click on the subscribe button, like and share.